All right, guys. So as we are working on the script, I got an exception over here. The credential is all fine. The certificates is all fine. It was able to connect to AWS as well. The only problem which it has is like the quota. The quota is basically, holding you to have this amount of, like for example here, total CPU which is allocated to you is 16, but you're trying to create 24 because you are trying to create three master, one worker will be fine, because you will have 16 virtual CPUs. But here we are talking about three masters having four CPUs and three worker nodes having four CPUs again each. So that becomes 24. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So that's why it is saying like this. So what we have to do is like we have to request Amazon to increase the quote. So to increase the quote, you just have a quota over here as this service quota. You can see. So here you have to go in to the dashboard, and then you have this AWS services, and then you have to go for CPU, I think EC2 instance. Um, so here you have the Elastic Cloud Compute. So this is the one we need to choose. And in this, you will have vCPUs or CPUs, or I think virtual CPUs or something like that. Let me just check this. So here you have to look for running on demand. You can see that we have created a T series. So it's a SVR series starts with T. So that's what we searched for, right? T3. So here we have the T over here. So you can see that the instance level quota is 16. So this is what we need to change. So this needs to be manually approved by one of the Amazon representative. So here request increase in the account level. So here you need to put in 24 over here. So approvals for some services, small increase are automatically approved, while larger requests are submitted through AWS support team. So this is basically what it means. And we will keep it 25 because we're already using one CPU in this instance. So let's just put this one, submitting quota request for value 25. So let's just wait for it, whether it is auto approved or it's gonna be manually approved. So okay, so quota increase request, and so check the quota history page. So requested, it says. So of course, so then AWS support is going to be involved here. So here the quota request is over here and its status is pending. So it seems like it requires an external approval from the Amazon team, who can approve the instance change, and they'll be updating us very soon in this one. So you can see it's pending state. So we have to wait for the approvals. Once the approval is completed, then we will be able to work with this script. The script has no problem except that it's not able to allocate the CPU which is assigned for it. So let's just wait for the approvals of the Amazon team, and then I'll continue the video. So now it is increased to 25. Now the moment you create this request, it goes to Amazon as a support case. And when you click on the support case, you're gonna get this kind of a ticket, and in this ticket you can see that they have increased the size over here. So that's pretty much what they said over here is that thanks for your patience. I'm working on your request. I'm pleased to inform you that it has approved. So that's basically how you can improve the quota. Now that we have improved the quota, now let's go and execute the script again. Now this time around it should not fail with any exception. It's going to take some time, so let me pause the video, let me stop it, and on the next video we will continue with the same.